This is the current configuration of the U.S. Army. It's called the M4. It has a Knights rail system, a flip-up sight for an M203 grenade launcher, a flashlight, a 14.5-inch barrel, a Trijicon ACOG scope with a radioactive tritium so that you could see in the dark. You can't see in the dark, but you could see the crosshairs in the dark. It has a backup iron sight, which flips up in case you need to take this scope off. Collapsible stock. This allows you to control the weapon in full automatic fire. It's a vertical foregrip, semi, full.